Curious about how to delete Meta AI on Instagram? Here's how. To start off, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now click on the airplane icon at the bottom center to open your messages. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type Meta AI. Once it appears, open the Meta AI chat from the search result. Now look towards the upper right corner and click on the info icon. This shows the chat settings. Since Instagram doesn't allow full removal, the best option is to mute Meta AI. To do this, click on the mute option and turn on both the switches. A small menu will appear with different time periods. Select according to your preferences. Finally, go back and your changes will be automatically saved. From now on, Meta AI won't disturb you anymore. And there you go. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy guides.